If someone makes you a good offer and you agree to it, in Kurdish, you might say Mrdû lewê paktir naşordrêt or Mrdû lewê baştir naşordrêt. Some of my viewers want to know how to say this in English, so let's translate it directly. A dead person is not washed better than they are there. But just imagine if someone is an English speaker and they make you an offer and you respond by saying this. They won't understand and they might be a little worried about why you are talking about dead people. Instead, you can say, couldn't ask for better than that, or can't ask for better than that. English speakers use these phrases when we are very pleased or satisfied with an offer. Kاتێک بە دڵخۆشیەوە ڕازین لەگەڵ ئۆفرێک کە پێشکەش ئەکرێت. Now you know how to say, couldn't ask for better than that.